evening, China. Good morning, America. Welcome back to RGBlink Beyond. Thank you for joining us at our fourth event of 2022. Beyond 2022 is live streaming by Zoom, YouTube, TikTok at the same time. Today, we really have some great announcements to share. The team have been working hard to deliver new products and services that help you stay connected to stream and to display. Where you are an Pro AV or a passionate streamer, RGBlink is your home for performance video when it matters. The RGBlink range extends right across the video pipeline, always here to make the connection. From content delivery to display management, we are proud how RGBlink continues to develop, providing the solutions at every scale. In 2020, as we plan to introduce a whole new category, suddenly our new streaming structure range become almost essential for us all. Our streaming switcher product continue to develop a pace through 2021, inspiring us to keep going and build out a whole new division and continue to take our unique experience from Pro AV and broadcast solutions. The RGBlink Stream Pro family across Mini and Tau series products continue to grow from strength to strength. We are excited to show you what's next today. But not to be outdone or forget, RGBlink professional products for Pro AV and broadcast have built an impressive and solid reputation across the globe, often achieving in a single processor where others can know. Leading in standard, detail in image, full color interface. These are the three rules RGBlink always stand on from every beginning. Even during the pandemic, RGBlink keeps building the compatibility with global leading brands, but no joint evolution, and with a sharp focus on image performance and delivery pixel to pixel. RGBlink Q and S series gain an even tighter focus as unbeatable leading solution. RGBlink SA used extensive by the host broadcast of the recent Olympic Games. RGBlink devotes itself to the international circulation and set up a good example to leading the industry with both streaming and Pro AV category. Today, we would like to share by TikTok China how important it is for content production to inspire the display. RGBlink starts its contribution for inner circulation. The world and video today is all about IP, internal streaming. To get to IP, work for streaming or signal transition in Pro AV, signal delivery in solid formats, and cabling remain the cornerstone. RGBlink has the widest and most flexible ability to capture, transform, and transmit video signal of anyone in the business now. The ability to accept video content from low solid-based signal is the cornerstone of video delivery, wherever the application. Whether you are a Stream Pro or employee, RGBlink has the most comprehensive input and signal solutions for any single device. In the last year, we have worked hard to bridge even more from content to delivery. From US content platforms, integrated controls for camera, across the world with our Born Cloud delivery solution, to our unique content delivery systems, powered by RGBlink Expose. There is a comprehensive set of hardware-centric video solution from RGBlink. Today, we will introduce you to the very latest ForceUp, meaning our first true streamer switcher, launched in 2020. Just a 10th scale size of our earlier M1 Mesa. Many of us fully resolution independent inputs and advanced cross conversion, unlike any other in the market. And since then, the range has grown to Mini Plus and Mini Pro, all which have been extremely popular right around the world. Here to update you with what's new for Mini and our Stream Pro range is Porter. Porter, over to you.
Our new Mini series has become so widely accepted around the world. It's hard to believe just 2 years ago we introduced Mini and then Mini Plus. Just last year, we launched Mini Pro with more advanced features including 4K signal support. And from the very beginning, we designed Mini to feature some of our key Pro video technologies, bringing high-quality video performance and broadcast style monitoring to everyday streaming. And now, already over 145,000 units has delivered across 78 countries and regions. Mini is everywhere. An incredible performance in no small part with the enormous support of our enthusiastic distributors partners. Today, I'm pleased to bring you the next Mini. This year, Mini is more portable, more powerful, and more comfortable than ever. Mini becomes lighter. We rebuild the shell with impact-resistant ABS body. Total weight of product is only 480 grams, reduced from 630 grams of previous model. It's more portable, just about the same weight as an iPad Air. It's easy to carry away in the backpack. And this will save you 20% fuel cost. In the age of pandemic, we are doing this just for one thing, to prevent the ship carrier from being rich. They may hate us, but it's just a joke. Actually, we think that may help reduce the carbon emissions. The thermal system we pioneered with Mini Pro last year now comes to Mini, offering truly impressive results. We received a lot of purchase market feedback about the heat-sink-free thermal performance of the first Mini, and integrating our intelligent cooling system into this new Mini. Let's see the data. New Minis can operate it on about 30-degree temperatures, which is 40% lower than previous generation or other competitor in the market. Controlling and streaming switches is no longer a suffer. With LCD screen and T-bar, it will be a joyful experience to control the new Mini. So this year, we bring Type-C power delivery to new Mini 2. With Type-C, you can power from Type-C PD adapters and chargers, even from a power bank. Imagine that if you forgot to take a power adapter when you are going to focus. With traditional DC cables, you have to keep findings, and finally grab a DC chargers, maybe under the desk, and it have taken you half an hour. But with Type-C, you can grab a common Type-C chargers and it works. What's more, it can be powered by power bank directly. You have done a test. A 20,000 mAh battery can power Mini for up to 5 hours. That means you can apply Mini on portable live streaming. Actually, this is the number 4 Type-C device we have delivered into the market, and we plan to apply it on RGBlink future products. And Minis get a boost with microphone input as well as line input via the TRS headphone socket. And audio mix across the line, the new microphone and 4 HDMI input is now available. And with audio sync technologies of RGBlink, we ensure the synchronizations between different audio input. This makes it possible to have a full embed audio mix for any stream. And RGBlink advanced pixel-to-pixel technologies comes to Mini. This is big deal. Full scale and position control of both the main and pictures-in-picture video layer. Beyond process picture-in-pictures means Mini can be used to bring together 2 video sources in almost any imaginable way. Users who work with camera and phones, for example, will really love the possibility for side-by-side layouts. And the most important thing is, we bring better performance at an incredible price. The MSRP of the new Mini is only $294. Go and get the new Mini from your favorite distributor beginning on April 30. With more and more accumulations on product definitions, research and develop, and supply chain, we believe this series will go further and further. Switches is not the only thing we do. Just now, we are talking about learning from the past. And the next, we'll step into the future. Let me introduce an NDI encoders and decoder. NDI is developed by New Tech in United States to enable video-capable products to communicate, deliver, and receive high-definition video over a computer network in a high-quality, low-latency way. Compared to RTFP protocol, NDI has higher quality. It can deliver near lossless video and lower bandwidth with minimum latency. Actually, by the last few months, we receive more and more inquiry about NDI from our customers. And NDI is an ecosystem including video capture, video deliver, and receiver. It's being a closed loop. So it's important for us to take part in right now. However, as a new and valuable AV over IP protocol, NDI is not widely supported yet. We realize that it will be a large chance if we can enhance the old device and make it support NDI codec. In an all-new form factor that featuring a full-color circle touchscreen display. Here is Tower Mini. As a professional NDI decoder and encoder, Tower Mini is really good at NDI processing. It supports full NDI, and the latest NDI HX3 works well in 4K systems, backward compatible with high definitions and standard definitions. And talking about the NDI HX3, it is the latest version of NDI, which is announced on February 14 this year. As you see in the table, compared to NDI HX, the HX3 has better video quality and lower latency. Let me show you what's the difference. With NDI HX3, latency reduced about 5 times, and it also empowers users to deliver better video quality. And next, let me introduce how it works. As a decoder, Tower Minis can receive NDI signals from encoder device, like NDI PTZ camera, and transfer it into HDMI signals for video preview or display. And as an encoder, Tower Minis can transfer HDMI signals into NDI signal and directly deliver to NDI streaming decoding system over Ethernet. And Tower Mini has a Type-C too. Just now, we have already talked about the advantages of Type-C. It's widely used, fits various things. But what if we remove the Type-C cable? Will it work? Yes. With PoE powered video, audio, controls, and power, all run over a single network cables. You don't need to bother to get more additional power supply. It's faster, easier, and more cost-effective than SDI and HDMI installation. We believe less is more. And Taiwan Mini is not just powerful, it's beautiful too. It has a stunning appearances. It's a novelty design from RGBlink. It has a full-color circle screen on the phone for video preview, and as with many our other devices, without the need for anything extra. This makes previewing very convenient. And with the low latency touchpad, the interaction is smooth and efficient. Taiwan Mini is quite good, right? However, Taiwan Mini is more than that. It can also be a H.264 and RTMP streamer for connecting to common platforms. And it's also a high-quality recorder, which supports flash sticks or portable hard drive. Taiwan Mini will equally be at home mounted with cameras via the standard quarter-inch sockets or positioned with media source. And Taiwan Mini supports Tally. Around the body, LED light shows status of camera. What's more, it supports small smartphone control via Wi-Fi hotspot. With its awesome set of features, the MSRP of Taiwan Mini starts at only $399 and will be available for leading distributors on May 30. Okay, so far today we have talked about bridge solutions to connect, stream, and display. What about video sources? Many of you were familiar with RGBlink PTZ camera already. Today, let me introduce new PTZ. We take a huge leap forward with an entirely new and comprehensive range of RGBlink PTZ cameras. They are field-shaped and made designed to reduce distraction. We offer different colors to fit various things: black for studio, space gray for meeting room, and sky blue for hospital. We don't want you to bother with PTZ camera, so we have considered all for you. Thanks to the excellent hardware and software, the new PTZ cameras have a superior visual performance. The new range all include 2 megapixel CMOS sensor from Panasonic, together with cutting-edge ISP processing and 2D, 3D noise reduction technology. Video has excellent definitions and color reproduction with more detail. And PTZ support up to 30 times optical and 10 times digital, up to 300 times scale totally. High precise captures and motor drive movement in 0.1 degree increments, but still rapidly and very responsive. Cameras in 12 times, 20 times, and 30 times zooms naturally and have autofocus too. The beautiful and unique body design not only fit well in almost any environment, but also allow for the greater range of movement. These PTZ cameras will shoot right there you want. And excitingly, we have 4 new PTZ cameras model with tally indicator built right in. we think this will be extremely popular. And I'm pleased to announce support IP and Visca Tali has come to Mini and Mini Pro to power these on-camera features. RGBlink Mini and PTZ cameras are perfect companions. And the new PTZ cameras comes in gorgeous light of color: black, space gray, sky blue. It will be available starting at the same gray price of $1,099. New PTZ will be available for leading distributors on April 30. We are super excited to see how you will use this device and make this device truly your own. Thank you. And now back to Ben.
Thanks, Porter. We are excited to involve our PTZ camera offering with a new complete range across 11 models, all in common format and with not only great visual performance, but also some unique features focused on the need of not only streamer everywhere, but for the broad range of commercial applications that demand camera technology today. And we had lowered the barrier to connecting streams even further. Taiwan Mini, with its rich touch interface, is sure to be popular beyond portable streaming, to be equally a home in meeting rooms and collaboration space too. Our ever popular entrance level Mini have been fully updated in this brand new model. Mini is not only lighter and more refined. We have added new features including logo, pixel-to-pixel scaling, tally, and audio mixing. Now, one more thing before we go on to our other announcements. I have some special news for Taiwan Pro users. Today, we are launching the next operation system released for Taiwan Pro. You will be very excited to see the dramatical enhancement in the user interface, making Taiwan Pro even more powerful and flexible. Plus, with this update, we are adding the ability to play back media directly from USB. Thank you to everyone for your feedback. And with the media player being the #1 request, this is sure to be popular. And secondly, I'm pleased to announce a new Taiwan Pro model is coming, Taiwan Pro SDI. This will really open up connections for many 3D SDI camera, in particular allowing native SDI camera connection, right where is needed to stream or broadcast with NDI. Now on to Pro AV. RGBlink has a strong background in high performance video scaling in 3D. Integration has driven much growth over the last couple of years. However, broadcast events of all types, in particular, can continue to be much better. Technology never sleeps. Long mega video works to incredible fine speed digital display. Across panoramic video to multi-window monitors and TV. The need for large-scale video processing and delivery has never been greater. Here to take you through the latest in our Pro AV range
with the DA, the first 8K market video processor, a definitely high-level product. Let's open the door of 8K together and see how RGBlink leads the trend. DA features our powerful 8K silicon, the most advanced video processing chip around the world, which delivers experience like one 8K source splitting into 4 pieces of 4K. DA features as standard an 8K HDMI 2.1 input, along with 4 HDMI 2.0 outputs. This enables DA to be a medium between the 8K input feed and normal processors, as well as bring a great joy to people with such needs. An RGBlink Smart Slot is available for adding a further input of choices too. There are 2 options for 8K DP 1.4 or Type-C. Since mentioning the feed, I must talk about the high compatibility of DA as well. DA is compatible with multiple PCs on the market, including many kinds of PCs, laptops, and media server. You don't need to worry about the only Windows compatible anymore. We think about that for you already. Having collected an 8K source, DA continues the unique tradition of multiple output modes in a single device, a key value proposition for many clients and users, but never more important than today. From the very beginning, we designed standard splicing on DA. Make sure it's not only a medium, but also a processor, so you can apply it to different markets. Now we come to the new level, which makes DA really unique. DA also supports any unequal customized output splicing mode, which can really take advantage of splicing feature. That means the output can be independently and carefully zoomed and controlled, so DA can easily cope with splicing different sizes of displays and any split screen on site. Bringing this stunning breakthrough is something only RGBlink can do, and I'm so proud of it. Besides high compatibility, DA also has some features which will make it more special, such as chain lock feature. When DA is used for multiple device cascade, it can make sure all outputs displayed on screen at the same time, which means like the picture on the monitor will no longer be torn with the chain lock. And that can make the little backend display really better. RGBlink as a market in providing HDR capabilities for video processors. Literally, DA supports the HDR2. The processors mentally and inherently the grayscale details and much wider color range that HDR video enables. That's why DA can do a great job on providing clear and more colorful displays. One thing I'm really excited about is a built-in 4-inch LCD touchscreen and expose of DA. We know that all our products that support expose software can realize a variety of control methods, including app control of mobile phones, tablets, PCs, and computers. We also know how this technology makes your controlling method become so easy and convenient. And for DA, the 4-inch LCD touchscreen can make your experience even better. Besides the basic control of expose and web server of built-in expose, you can just do the control on the screen without collecting any control cables. Of course, do the preview at the same time. It's a gorgeous idea of our equipment. And carrying details like that can always make our product such a huge hit with customers. And the unit will be available on April 30. So, every engineering deserves a DA. RGBlink Premier AK platform. You can use it to cascade and stick. But I prepared a bigger surprise today. It's our XA, an AK video processor with a level of broadcast and studio. The DA device we just mentioned supports 1 AK in and 4 4K out, while the XA provides more AK inputs and 4K outputs, which can give a huge operation space for people with professional requirements. And I will continue to show you why the XA is so extraordinary. The architecture of AK4XA based on DA technology but much higher. It provides true AK image quality and color range, which make AK video a reality. Each slot in an XA supporting AK by 4K 60Hz. Those can be HDMI 2.1 and DP 1.4 single cable connections, or as split 4x4K multi-cable configurations, which make XA really powerful on adaptability. No matter you need to use high-end graphics card or media server as fit, XA is perfectly adaptable. In terms of image quality and color range, XA supports AB, 10B, and 12B grid level on both input and output at 8K pixels. This is gonna make XA provide a much smoother color transition for audience. In addition to support high-bit image, XA also support HDR10+ and HLG feeds, which can offer users with a richer color and deeper saturation, because HDR can offer 90% of color space. Here we come to a super cool feature. For the first time in an X series processor, XA has realized 15 kinds of professional 2ME transition effects. XA goes beyond color and fade, with digital transitions including pulls, whips, crosses, and so on, that can make the transition become really interesting. Not only meeting the transition effects application of broadcasting and studio, but also creating new possibilities for users, particularly in run and events. By the way, all of those operations can be realized on the basis of XA's 8 signals on one output module and 48 layers on one motion. One thing was mentioned is these transition effects are not available in other brands in the same AK market, and this is really incredible. In terms of input, there is a very special technology on XA, which is the 12G SDI input module. There is only one 12G SDI input interface on other X series, but there are 4 on XA. Now let's explain why it's special. As we all know, AK cameras on the market most use SQD technology for 12G SDI to separate AK feeds into 4K. But there is also markets like Japan. They use 2SI technology for 12G SDI. And when they use a feed with 2SI instead of the SQD, they'll have to buy another module which supports the 2SI. And the 12G SDI input module of XA has totally solved this problem, as it supports those two technologies together, which make XA can switch XQD and 2SI technologies really easy. And I think you've noticed this is something that many other brands cannot do. But in fact, this technology realized by RGBlink not only on X3, X7, and X14's 12G SDI input modules, but also on XA. And this comes from our adherence to design products with highest industry standards. That's also the reason you can always believe RGBlink. Next up, ultra high refresh rates up to 240 Hz are now possible even on XA. Some of our clients with special applications, including medical and aerospace technologies, are already very excited about these capabilities to ingest and process for delivering these signals. For example, 240 refresh rate will realize the application of dual view feed. We can see two totally different pictures, like human arms bloody vessels, and its own image on one source through special glasses. This is same as a rocket and internal structure. Therefore, that can help internals to study and understand the medical and science faster and easier through a more vivid way. After talking about so many advanced and amazing processing power of XA, you may wonder, is it inconvenient and difficult to control such a powerful device? Don't worry, even with so many powerful features, XA can also support built-in Xpose control. To compare with X3, X7, XA not only can be controlled by Xpose app on mobile phones, tablets, and computers, but also can be controlled by web page. You just need to enter the IP address of XA in the browsers. Then you can do the control directly, no matter it's Android, iOS, or Home OS. You don't even need to install the software or connect any control cables. Therefore, no matter what device you use, you can easily control the XA. And the unit will be available on April 30. XA is our flagship product. It can also applicable to the vertical market that XR can achieve. Just like every engineer Swiss Army life, it can meet your various needs. Now, you may ask about commercial digital signage video application. So, here is Q-System Pro, a super large screen adaptive video processor which is suitable for systems integration. Scale down based on XA is our most popular Q-series platform, launched just last year, now evolves for the future. In the context of the application of demand of ultra-wide market, Q-System Pro not only does a great job on basis of meeting 4K pixel to pixel, it can also support customized output resolution up to 8192 on both width and height. Q-System Pro support de-interlacing feature to 3G SDI input that make Q-System Pro adapt to SDI cameras on the market and compatible with other exciting equipment, as well as ensure the stability of the picture. With both ever larger displays and more high-resolution content, there continues to be demand for even more layers, and Q-System Pro now offers 16 2K windows or 4 4K windows per output module. All layer resources are able to be freely used across any of the output within a slot for maximum availability and efficiency, including inherent layering capability for Q-System Pro is sure to be market video wall controller even more popular this year. Another new feature based on the feedback is options for insert and extra audio in separate module. Both of them can be used to any output, as well as be switched with a parallel video process. This is going to bring a great benefit to our multiple sense application. All our products that support expert software can realize a variety of control methods, including app control of mobile phones, tablets, PCs, and computers. No matter it's Android, iOS, Home OS. Therefore, no matter what device you use, you can easily control the Q System Pro. Some great new features: the Q System Pro, widely used for listen, education, commercial advertising, exhibition hall, and so on. And these video processors will be available on April 15th. Our team looks forward to working with your project specifications. Okay, now back to Ben.
Thank you, Julia. That's a lot to take in. The team had really been working hard to develop and innovate across all our ranges. Today, we have introduced you to DA, a true next-generation native 8K presentation switcher, able to take advantage of HDMI 2.1 and DP 1.4. DA is going to be a must-have scalar switcher for hybrid OB and EVS. Plus, we have update SA, bringing together 2K, 4K, and 8K signals like never before, with advanced features including ME and DVE on an universal processor for the first time, and supporting up to 240 refresh rate. SA supports important connectivity for health professionals too. With our scalable Q series platform for video walls, the next generation Q System Pro has a host of capabilities, including broader support SDI and 4K. For the budding streamers, we have made Mini even more affordable and refined, as well as adding some much requested features. Tower Mini embraces modern connectivity, not only with the UVC streaming for portable use, but also for Zoom and Teams rooms too. Plus, Tower Mini uniquely is a bi-direction NDI node. Mini and Tower Mini are perfect partners with our new PTZ cameras too. Beyond the beautiful looks and precision electronics, tally indicators really make RGBlink PTZ camera a fully integrated part of the video delivery. To our distributor partners all around the world, now is really a great time to offer full RGBlink package solution to corporates, as well as for education and other vertical markets. Today announced a new operation system update for the Tower Pro, including new media player capabilities, plus announced new Tower Pro SDI. It is worth noting again that Tower Pro is not only full high definition codec for streaming, but is also NDI-HS in addition to all the other features, including the video switching. We are so excited to bring this solution to you. I would encourage you to take a look at Bone 6. cloud streaming platform solution launched at the end of last year, bond sits together with RGBlink BCS means that we truly had a complete end-to-end video capture to delivery solution. We are focused on bringing you our performance hardware, fusing that within integrated software and user interface. From mobile streaming displays through to a large event video walls and everything in the between. With RGBlink, we connect, stream, display, and are truly video processing for every scale. We look forward to seeing what you can achieve with RGBlink solutions. The industry influencer, keep option leader, and keep option consumer, you are invited to review RGBlink beyond 2022 products. Welcome to apply now from RGBlink website influencer program. From mini, creative content production inspire display world, and display is ready as a stage for the content. With more display system is coming, even into metaverse. This is a small step from RGBlink. It's a big step for the industry. I would like to say bye for now and see you Spark 2022. That's another time.